Good morning, mathematicians. We are looking at some statistics words today to make sure we understand what we can do with data. So in this example, let's take a look at these test scores, and we are going to analyze the mean, the median, the mode, and the range of this data set. So we're going to begin with mean, and in math, we remember that mean means the average. The way that we calculate the mean is we are going to add together the different numbers in our data set, and then we're going to divide by how many numbers are in the data set. So we are going to do, in this case, 75 plus 80 plus 82 plus 82 plus 95 equals. This is how many points we have in all, but now to calculate the mean, we're going to divide by 5 because there were 5 numbers in our data set. So our average is 82 and 8/10. That's the mean or the average of our data. Now, to calculate median of a data set, we literally are going to walk into the data to find the middle. Here we have two numbers on the outside, two numbers that are second to the middle, and here we have one lone number sitting in the middle of the data set. We could circle that and say this middle number is the median. Boys and girls, this is nice and easy to find if you have an odd number of data points. If we had an even number and we had two numbers sitting in the middle, we could add those two numbers together and divide by 2 to get to the median. Sometimes that might happen. This, boys and girls, is the middle number. That's the way we find the median. Now, the mode is the most common number that you see repeated in your data set. Sometimes there's no mode because there's no number that is repeated. Other times you might have three numbers that are repeated, and you would look to see which one is most common. If you have three numbers and they're all repeated 3 times, then guess what? All three of those you would list as your mode. In our data set, we only have one number that repeats, and it's 82. It's listed 2 times, so we would say 82 is our mode. The last statistics word we're looking at is range. And range, boys and girls, is the difference. So we are looking at the difference, and we find that by subtracting. We're going to take our highest value, which is 95. We're going to subtract our lowest value, which is 75. We get a difference of 20 because, of course, 95 minus 75 is going to equal 20. That is our range. Boys and girls, these are the very important statistics, vocabulary words, and how to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and the range from your data set.